Coming up next on Good Taste, perk up. This delicious butter coffee will get you going.
People thought I was a little crazy, I'm gonna be honest.
It's all crazy good at this Austin spot. Then, climb aboard this Hill Country Express. A trainload of jaw-dropping desserts is coming down the tracks.
Win-win. You can eat a salad, then eat a pie.
Plus, one of the best breakfast spots in the country is in Midtown in H-Town. This breakfast club is open to everyone. Good Taste starts right now. Hi everyone, I'm Tanji Patton and welcome to Good Taste, your go-to spot each week for where to dine. Up first, how about a Picnik? It's a hip new spot in Austin that bursts with energy. Their butter coffee and fantastic food will keep you going all day long. Healthy eating doesn't always have to be a drag.
Well, this is our first time, but we had heard it was good, healthy food, so we decided we'd do it.
It can be a picnic.
I can wake up every day and feel good about what I do because I'm able to positively make an impact in people's lives.
That's Naomi, the feisty entrepreneur determined to make what's good for you taste amazing. And that includes their famous butter coffee. More on that bullet of energy in a minute.
It's really good and it feels super healthy.
It's all at a bright and urban Austin eatery, aptly named Picnik. Here, food is designed to nourish both body and soul. Like this fresh catch, a wild-caught salmon on a bed of wilted spinach, herb garlic quinoa, garnished with pecan and pomegranate seeds.
These are the fish tacos. They look delicious. Can't wait to eat them.
The fish tacos, like everything else at Picnik, are gluten-free, made with tempura battered black drum and a cassava flour tortilla, straddled with pickled red onion, sesame orange slaw, and drizzled with house-made chipotle aioli. And this blondie ice cream sandwich is so good, you'll think grandma made it. But it's grain-free too. A recipe owner Naomi Ward calls a happy accident she discovered on her journey to wellness. How in the world did you end up in the restaurant business?
I found out that I was celiac when I was 19, so I ended up having to go off of gluten. But after college, I just decided I needed to go on a journey to kind of explore what I wanted to do with my life. So I ended up living in yoga ashrams and kind of on this journey of introspection and self-study.
On that journey to overcome and understand food allergies, Naomi experienced firsthand the mind-body connection.
I feel like I've been led, you know, and you could call it instinct, you could call it intuition, you could call it God, but it's always about listening to your gut and to your instinct and to that kind of divine guidance.
That path led her to Austin, where she started selling organic, locally sourced grab-and-go breakfast items out of a repurposed shipping container on South Lamar. It was a huge hit. One reason? This energizing jolt of joe. So tell me about the butter coffee.
Yes.
Because that is the buzz
Yes.
everywhere is Picnic's buttered coffee.
When we opened 3.5 years ago at our trailer, people thought I was a little crazy, I'm gonna be honest. So basically, grass-fed butter and MCT oil, which is a derivative of coconut oil, those two ingredients in combination are just really good for curbing your appetite, your energy levels, gives you increased cognitive function.
They know how to make gluten-free taste great.
If you're gonna eat French toast, eat this one.
It's made from their light and fluffy house-baked bread.
Can I get a side of dressing in this guy?
They opened this brick-and-mortar restaurant late this summer. Dinner is on the menu too, and there's almost always a wait to get in.
They're kind of breaking ground for Austin in this kind of new wave of advanced, like healthy eating and cooking. So I love it.
Picnik is also a paleo-friendly kitchen. Another bestseller is the very nutritious and rejuvenating bone broth with cayenne pepper, collagen, and turmeric. Proteins are prepared with pride at Picnik, all locally sourced, like this pasture-raised pork belly, seasoned and rubbed with sea salt and coconut sugar, cured for 3 days. That bone broth, also part of the prep for the pork belly that ends up in the oven. Okay, carry on. And diced before going into one of their most popular dishes, fried Brussels sprouts. Okay, Brussels sprouts healthy, I get. Pork belly, so you've got a little bit of something for everyone here, right?
Oh yeah, it's a delicious dish.
Added to the mix, a maple syrup vinaigrette with Dijon mustard and that healthy avocado oil. Quick and easy, all in one pan. It's topped with nutty fresh Parmesan cheese. Fingers allowed?
Yes.
Hot.
It's a nice maple finish to it. It's
Who would have ever
delicious.
thought maple with the Brussels sprouts? That's really good.
Delicious.
And healthy. Who would have thought healthy could be this much fun? Do you think you developed food allergies so that would lead you on this
Yes.
path?
Yes. My journey with food and my allergies and my own journey of self-discovery has been all over the map, but it was always with the intention that I would end up here. And I know that for a fact now.
Everything you've gone through up until now prepared you for this moment.
Yes, absolutely, 100%.
I love that.
Yeah.
I am hooked on their food and definitely hooked on those delicious coffees. Coming up next, bring on the bacon and the waffles and the catfish. See why folks from around the world line up for this bodacious breakfast.
It's real good like southern food.
But next, life's short. Why not eat dessert first? You will at this Hill Country train depot.
It's got a little bit of hazelnut and then that wonderful chocolate Nutella filling.
There's always a place for you at our table. Come on back. Good things come from Cisco.